Okay, today, boys and girls, we're going to do Write It, Rhyme It. And we're going to do a review of some long vowels and see if we can find some words that rhyme with the long vowels. So let's start with some long A word. So let's do name. Name. Okay, let's think of a word that rhymes with name. How about lame? Lame. Okay. Now let's do a long E word. Let's do me. Me. A word that rhymes with me. He. He. Very good. Now let's do a long I word. Let's do hike. Hike. So something that rhymes with hike. Bike. Bike. Good. Now let's do a long O word. Let's think of a long O word. Home. Home. So for home, let's do dome. Dome. Home and dome. Long U word. Let's do mute. Mute. A long U word that rhymes with mute. Shoot. Woot. I'm trying to think. What's a ute word? Oh, just ute. Like the Utah Utes. Okay, let's do one more because we're not going to do one where the little kitty with the pencil is. Let's do a long A word. Let's do bake. What's a rhyming word with bake? Rake. Very good. All right. Take a look at the back. We have more pictures that we match with the word. So first thing we do is read the words. Sister. Jersey. Catcher. Burger. Fern. Pitcher. Marker. This makes germ. Slower. Okay, so our first word is sister. Here's our sister. Sister. Good. Next one. Jersey. Jersey. Catcher. Catcher. Burger. I feel like we had that one yesterday. Burger. And fern, we learned that's like a plant. Fern. Okay, so now you can do the last four by yourselves. This one is pitcher, marker, germ, and slower. So do those words on your own and then turn it into the basket.